In the late 1950s and early 1960s, missiles were launched with unexpected companions. The bogies were fast, silent, and called Tagalongs. They followed the missiles as if to monitor their flight. Were they optical illusions, secret technology, or something else? There's more activity in this clip than anything I've seen. We spot several scan probe 2Bs, the binoculars, and more 1B probes popping in, making sharp turns, and then shooting away. Freeze frame shows us the shape, and then we let it rip to show the speed.